Hello guys, if you wanna set up your own Madden 27 offline franchise and play it completely by yourself without needing an internet connection, here's exactly how to do it. Start by going into franchise, then select create/load using the left stick. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new league and choose play offline solo. You'll then be asked which roster you wanna use. You can select the current NFL preseason roster, use the default roster, or import a roster file from the creation center. For this example, I'm going with the preseason roster, but you can choose whichever one you prefer. After selecting your roster, pick the team you wanna control. I'm going with the Eagles, but of course, you can choose any team you like. Next, you'll have the option to customize your character, including their appearance and other settings. Make any changes you want, and when you're finished, select save and exit. From there, you'll be taken into your franchise, and you can choose start playing preseason to begin your offline league. And that's basically all there is to it. Your franchise is now set up as an offline solo league, so you can play through it on your own without inviting other players or staying connected to an online league. Just keep in mind, if you wanna play an online league later, you'll need to create a new franchise for that rather than converting this offline league. And that's how you can create an offline solo league in Madden 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.